Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how you can get more views on Quora answers. But before we start this video, let me tell you that I love to read your comments. So if you have any doubt or you want to suggest me any topic on which you want to see our next video, you can use the comment section. You can simply write the comment. Now let's start the video. Many times people ask me a question, sir, we are not getting much views on Quora answers. So they assume that Quora doesn't have traffic anymore. No, it's not right. It entirely depends upon which kind of questions you are answering, how you are answering the questions, and whether you are getting initial engagement on your answers or not. So watch this video till the end, then you will come to know what kind of mistakes you are committing right now and what kind of improvements you need to follow to get more views on your answers. First of all, choose those questions which are in existing demand, which are having good number of followers, have recent activity, have good number of answers. Choose that questions first, but make sure don't answer general questions which are having lots of answers on it. For example, what is digital marketing? Thousands of people have already answered the question. Now people are not going to read those all answers because all answers would be the same. So you need to find that question which is actually resolving the problem of people. For example, why I'm not getting sales from Facebook ads. You can answer that question, which is actually resolving the issue of people. Then automatically people are going to read your answers and you are going to get good number of views. You need to target those questions on which your answers can rank for longer time. Don't go for those questions where your answers will disappear after a certain time. Look, on Quora, answer doesn't disappear after 24 hours. So if you are answering a question, what is digital marketing, that is already having high competition and many of the people are answering that question. So your answer will disappear after a certain time. Instead, choose for those questions which are already searched on Google and Quora both and have long term visibility of your answers. Like you can answer a question why my website is not ranking in spite I have good content on it. So you can answer that question which is having low competition so that your answer can rank on that question and it will have long term visibility and you will get views for a long term. You need to focus on the first paragraph of your answer. Don't answer in such manner that first 5 paragraphs of your answer are explaining the background of the question. No, you should immediately answer the question in first 2 lines. For example, if you are answering a question, then you can write in such manner. If your website is not ranking, then might be your content is not the real issue. There can be several issues which you need to check first. Now you are giving a reason to people to check out or read the entire answer written by you. The moment the question gets clicked, your first paragraph of your answer plays the role of opener. You should avoid AI written answers. Don't use AI to write answers because people don't like to read AI content having no examples, lots of headings, bullet points, no personal experience, and have lengthy paragraphs as introduction. No, people don't like to read AI content. So you need to write answers manually. Answer the question earlier. Don't write 500 words paragraph before answering the actual question. Look, there is an option of upvote. Might be if you have written an introductory paragraph of 500 words, then you are providing the actual answer. People are not going to wait for it and they will devote your answer instead of upvoting it, right? So you need to provide the answer at earliest. Then you can write more about your answer. Use examples while writing the answer. Look, answers with examples are easy to understand by people. So while writing answer, include example. For example, there is a question, what is CTR in Google Ads? Then you need to answer that question with example, that what are the impressions and what are the clicks and If that many people have seen your ad and if that many people have clicked on your ad, then this is the CTR. Answer the new questions quickly. Look, if you have find any new question, quickly answer them. If you do so, you have established your answer before thousands of answers roll in that question. You can also answer the existing questions relevant to your niche, but make sure that your answer is better than the existing response. You can also update your existing answer. For example, if you have answered a question 2 years earlier and it is still getting traffic, then you can edit it and you can update new information in that answer with new statistics, with new images, with new examples. Then your answer will start getting views again. Don't turn every answer into an advertisement. I have seen many of people answering the question for just sake of advertising their business. Look, people stop reading the answer when they find advertisement in it because they know the person is not answering that question naturally. It's just for the sake of advertising purpose. So don't advertise your business in each and every answer. Use Quora to build authority, not just for views. I have seen many times people answer questions on Quora just for the sake of views. No, use Quora to build reputation. Answer questions in a specific niche that is related to your business, and people will start trusting on your brand or business. Now, summing up this video, if you want more views on your Quora answer, you need to follow this strategy. Answer those questions which are having high demand. Target low competition questions. Your opening should be powerful. Give the answer quickly. Use examples while writing an answer. Answer new questions first. Update your best performing answers first. And stop advertising in each answer. Build authority in one niche and start answering questions consistently. If you follow these strategies, you are going to get good number of views on Quora answer. Now I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing, then I have mentioned Digital Bikana app link in video description. You can simply download it and you can start learning digital marketing. Thank you.